Attention all marketers, your new automated income site is here. Brand new software creates fully automated self-updating sites that make money and earn commissions every single day from free traffic. And you'll never have to update these sites manually ever again. Hi guys, my name's Trevor Carr and welcome to my News Profits review. This that was actually taken for the sales page, so that's why it's a little bit hypey. I just thought I'd put that on there so I'd give you an idea of what we're going to be looking at today. But before we go on, please ensure you watch this short video until the very end, as I am including the most valuable and exciting bonuses that you will find for this offer. And as always, my goal is to make sure that you get all the information you need to decide whether or not you want a copy of this product, and at the same time tempt you with a bonus bundle that is genuinely worth way more than the cost of the product. So stay to the end, please. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss out on any of my videos. I don't always email out when I do a video these days. More and more I'm making videos and not emailing, so you're going to miss if you don't subscribe. And make sure you hit on the notification bell as well. So you'll see the Maximum Knowledge down there. My channel's called Maximum Knowledge. Click on that little button down on the right hand side to subscribe, and then click on the bell. Now, I plan to keep this review as short and sweet as possible. I know your time is very valuable and I respect that, so this is going to be in turbo mode. So let's crack on, guys. So before we start looking at the benefits of News Profits, first of all, I want to say that for some reason I find that a little bit tricky to say News Profits. I think because I want to say profits. Anyway, I need to make one thing very clear. The sales page shows their proof of earnings, and for once I'm so pleased to tell you that these appear to be 100% genuine and actually generated by the News Profits system. Now, that doesn't mean anybody tells lies on their sales pages, heaven forbid, but my point is this. These guys, Jason and Mosh, a couple of friends of mine that I've known for a long time now, they're straight plain solid friends of mine. They create very professional products. They also make a ton of money every month. I mean, I'm talking insane amounts of money. But they've not used any of those tons of cash shots for this. They've shown us what really can be done with this awesome system, and that to me is a breath of fresh air. This is News Profits Pro. Let's take a look at those real world results right now and ask ourselves a very simple question. If one site can generate total passive income like this, how many would you build? So here we can see the monthly earnings, and this is what I'm saying about this. What I love about it is that this is very real and very honest. These are not showing thousands, but this is showing $314, $489, $310, $372, $388. The important thing to notice here, that as I went through there, just go back a second. Look, it's October, November, December, January, February. That is very, very consistent. So one site is bringing in excess of $300 per month, absolutely, totally on autopilot, thanks to this system. That for me is very, very exciting, because, you know, you would just go on and build a ton of these, wouldn't you? And then just let them do their thing. You know, this, it really is, it's a wonderful little system. So the answer to the question is we would build as many as we possibly can. So here's why I think you need this if you haven't already decided that you do. Now you can create multiple sites with unlimited news content without having to write any of it yourself. You can get this from all over the internet for free and monetize it automatically. All of your sites are fully updated to post and share content. You'll never have to create videos or find images for your sites or write content ever again, and you can make money from all of this free content. With automated content, we created automated monetization for you. Now you can automatically earn commissions from Amazon products advertised on your site. All you need to do is add the right keywords and you're done. News Profits Pro comes with a fully built-in funnel system that earns you commissions from automatic funnels. Just add your affiliate IDs and you'll be able to earn commissions from all the free content and free traffic. With News Profits Pro, you'll also make money from your site using eBay and Walmart affiliate programs by adding thousands of products to your site and making money as an affiliate. Now, I've just got to say at this point, I have been using eBay and Amazon affiliate commissions for a few years now, and one of my sites pulls in money. It's just an ugly old site, but this kind of system really does work. What's different about this is that this is based on news sites, and it's going to generate a lot of organic traffic as well, but they've got this built-in money traffic system that you're going to see as we go through. So With NewsProfix Pro, you'll never run out of content as you get content from multiple news sources, from the top authority sites to niche blogs with news articles. Fully SEO optimized news content. All your articles and posts are fully SEO optimized with the perfect titles, descriptions and keywords, so you can get high Google rankings for all your content automatically. Built-in traffic system in the new software make sure you get free traffic from every post and article to your site using 32 top social media sites where your content is posted automatically every day. Now that is like taking massive action. That is, for me, it's like, wow, that's cool. You know, I can see how this is going to work now. 100% free social engaging traffic. Multiply your traffic and results by multiplying the number of social accounts you connect with your software. In just a few clicks, you can blow up your traffic by adding as many social media site accounts as you want. For every step of this software, we have complete video guides showing you how to do every little thing in our software. You can watch and follow, and of course, our help desk is always there to help you with anything you need. Hosting is one of the biggest costs when it comes to starting your online business or websites. That's why we took care of it for you. Your hosting for all your NewsProfix Pro sites is covered by us, unlimited traffic and content. And importantly to say, guys, what that means is you don't have to worry about domains, you don't have to worry about buying a domain, getting a website, getting hosting, or any of that stuff. This all comes with it, you know, so it really is easy and very, very attractive. Powerful servers, you don't need to run your own servers. All your sites run on our powerful dedicated servers that never go down, and you'll be able to host unlimited sites, content, images and videos when you create your NewsProfix Pro sites. Whether you want to use your own domain or our domain and a fold system for your sites, you have total freedom to do that. All you need to do is connect your domain to our system and automatically start using it. With NewsProfix Pro, everything is included. Hosting, site names and URLs, all the content, images and videos you need, all possible monetization methods, everything. You don't need to spend any extra to get this going. It's all included in the stupid low price. So you can see why I'm so excited about this one. It's totally newbie friendly. You can get started so fast. I mean, incredibly fast, like less than 1 minute to get your first site up and running. Everything you need is included in the members area, including full training. You can earn hundreds of dollars each month from each site on total autopilot, and that is the exciting thing. You know, just keep setting these things in and setting them up and just watching the money come rolling in. It's the perfect side income opportunity that I think we should all take advantage of. So the big question, guys, as always, would I recommend this to my dear mum? And the answer is yes. Otherwise, I wouldn't be reviewing it. But yeah, I'd recommend this, of course, to any family member, any friend, in fact, anyone and everyone. It's so simple and effective. I would feel very bad if I didn't tell you about it. And guess what? This is brand new. So you're right at the forefront of making money innovation once again with me right here and right now. So let me take you over to the sales page now, and we'll take a closer look at NewsProfix Pro, including the members area. So this is the sales page that you're going to see when you click through from my video, and it's a big old sales page. You've got to say, watch the sales video. There's lots of information on there, and you can see all the sales proof. So I mean, you know, this is what I like about it: the fact that this is just not over egged in any way. It's very real, and that to me says volumes, because this is something where we're not being told, yeah, you're going to make, you know, $2,386 in the next 2 minutes just because you clicked one button. But you can see how this works. As you go through this, you will get a good feel for why this is something that can actually happen for you. There's also a demo video on the sales page that if you want to look at, get a bit more idea about how this works, then you can watch that video, and that will give you an idea of how fast and easy it is to get this thing set up. So let's go through to the members area now. So here we are inside the members area. You've got the contact support desk there, tutorials, posts. It's very much like a WordPress site. It's, you know, a WordPress site that you go into, log into, and then your profit generators down here, etc. Now all of the training is included, and if I show you, click on this, it opens up a new window. There's a lot of training here, and first of all, you know, why new sites, how to make money, how to create new sites, how to get traffic, custom domain. That's all included in that video there, 17 minutes. How to get the news API, another video there, just a couple of minutes long. Collect eBay credentials and keys, step-by-step Amazon tutorial, and then more information on your keys there, Walmart affiliate keys, and how to format your content. So this is an example of what the sites look like. As you can see, you know, they're really nice looking sites, and more importantly, they bring in the organic traffic, and you're combining all sorts of authority sites to get the content in there, and it's all automated. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to worry about anything at all with this. And it means that literally anybody can do this. Jim, my Labrador, could do this if he could just get his paw to click on the right buttons on the keyboard. He could do this. Anybody can do this, guys. Okay, we're going to quickly go through the upgrades now, also known as OTOs. These can sometimes come with a little bit as a shock, so I like to give you the full rundown so you know what to expect. When you buy the front end, you know what's coming, and there's no kind of, oh, I don't want to buy that. You know exactly what it is. Now, of course, these are optional. Everything you need is covered inside the main training and software offer, but here are the details on how you can upgrade your purchase. And I have to say, some of these upgrades are a little bit sexy. So, News Profits Pro Unlimited Profits Edition. So the standard license comes with a 10-site license, which is fine to get started with, but the early beta testers decided that, you know what, actually I want to make more and more and more. So they thought about offering an upgrade to 50 and 100 licenses. Then they thought, you know what, sod it, let's go unlimited. So unlimited for $67 is a no-brainer. You can just carry on making more and more sites. Don't forget, you don't need the domain, you don't need the hosting. I mean, I would be churning these out every day. You know, every time I've got a bit of spare time, I'd be churning another one out and just watching that money roll in. So that's the first upgrade there, $67. The next one is the 100x Advanced Edition at $97. And using this hidden treasure, you can profit instantly with just a few simple tweaks. You can immediately boost your profits by 50 to 100 times. So what you do is, you've got here, every day is packed with fresh news you can monetize. The 100x Advanced method includes the hidden system of tapping into the hottest niches that you can profit from instantly. Exciting news happens every day and almost always involves products that are available online right now to sell. Simply plug in the hottest trend of the day into the News Profits Pro, create a hot news site around the trend, and offer the product the trend is about. Simples. 100x Advanced method does all this for you. So that's a really nice, exciting upgrade there, guys, if you're interested in the whole News Profits Pro at $97 now. Then we've got done for you money sites. Now, done for you is something that I always like, because obviously when you're looking at something new, it's great to get something done so that you can have money coming in while you learn how to do it yourself. So the done for you, well, it enables you to run the whole business completely hands-free. They're going to build 20 live News Profits Pro money sites for you. Hot, ready to go commission money sites. They'll set them up completely so it's hands-free. You don't have to do a thing. For $297, you get 20 of those. Proven campaigns that you can plug straight into for instant results. Untapped niche. This is priceless. No one is here, and virtually no competition. And some hidden tricks that will help you generate the even faster results. I'm just going to log out of Facebook. Next, we've got the Super Traffic Machine. That's $77. Limited time offer will explode your traffic and sales while building you an army of people desperate to promote your News Profits Pro money sites with little to no advertising on your part. But that's not all. Inside the Super Traffic Machine Edition will also give you the ability to create your own affiliate store with just a click of a button. So with this News Profits Pro Super Traffic, God, that's a mouthful, isn't it? With this Super Traffic Machine, we'll just call it that, you'll build a fully automated affiliate site that drives 100% free viral traffic and link it to your main News Profits Pro site. Your new site will update with fresh content, then link to your affiliate store where you'll generate sales and commissions, all while driving 100% free traffic. That sounds pretty good, I've got to say. That does sound good. Then my all-time favorite, license rights. Now, license rights on a program like this, an offer like this, is something else. This is how you can sell News Profits Pro as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. The best part is they take care of all the support for you. You don't have to do anything, just collect your 100% profit and find a way to spend it. This is amazing for you, even if you do not have a product to sell online, and this plugin is something that every online marketer wants for their business. We know this is an insane deal for you that will make you a lot of money, and I agree, this definitely will. Okay guys, bonus time. So you're going to get fast commissions by me. Discover the fastest way to pull in affiliate commissions, and something I personally use on a regular basis. This is over-the-shoulder video training by me. Now, all of these bonuses, by the way, you're going to get just by picking up the front end through me of News Profits Pro through me. All you need to do is buy the front end and you're going to get all these bonuses. Number 2, Commission Impossible. I put this course together to help anybody get started making commissions, regardless of your experience or achievements so far. I take you by the hand and guide you step by step to online success. This is another over-the-shoulder video course written and produced and recorded and created by me. Number 3, live group coaching call with me. You're going to get a live and recorded replay if you can't make it, VIP coaching call with me. On this call, you can ask me anything you want, whether it's about this particular product or making money online in general, and you can grill me and ask me, basically anything you like. Bonus number 4, Local Biz Website Doctor is great training program. Even if I do say so myself, I teach you a fantastic method for discovering sites that are not mobile optimized and then show you how you can use a stupidly simple online service to instantly rectify it. Takes no techie knowledge, and you can then sell that to local businesses and say, look, your site isn't mobile optimized, let me show you, and you send them this link and then you say, I can fix it though. So it's really good, really clever. You can make a small fortune from these little sites. Then bonus number 5, my affiliate profit system, full video training course created by me. I'll teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, including all the juicy stuff I've learned over the last couple of years. And you're going to get a Fiverr Done For You bundle. 40 evergreen Fiverr gigs that you can copy and paste and then sell yourself. Included is everything you need, including the taglines and even the graphics. You're also going to get El Bandito, the full course, and it's a real life case study that shows you how we made $419 per hour with just 1 hour of simple work. And you're going to get the El Bandito training workshop, where you get a live replay of the training workshop that we did following that course. You're also going to get my Mobley award-winning course, teaches you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, and you're going to get the Mobley OTO1 as well, the advanced training. Plus, you're going to get Amazon Affiliate Profits, a full video training course revealing the secret trick to 6 figures on Amazon the lazy way, and you're going to get my Free Traffic Method 2019 updated version of this training course on how to get laser-targeted visitors to your site or offer on demand. Plus, you're going to get 5 tips to becoming a super affiliate, exclusive video training on how to become a super affiliate in this members area. So this is a quick recap. You're going to get all of these bonuses, guys. Everything you see on the screen here, you're going to get all of these bonuses with a total real world value of $1,360, absolutely free of charge when you grab News Profits Pro through my link. Okay, so that is an unbelievable deal. They're obviously going to fly. I've only got a limited number of these, so the bonus bundles I've created are for you to appeal if you haven't already got News Profits Pro, and if you've already got it, if you've already picked it up, then you probably want to pick it up just for these bonuses. So I know they're not going to last very long. Now, News Profits Pro is a total no-brainer, to be honest. It's the perfect way to set up a new income stream, a completely passive income stream on autopilot. It's not a get-rich scheme, far from it, but I do believe that you could easily scale this to several thousand per month on complete autopilot. And all of the bonuses are ready and waiting for you inside Warrior Plus, so you get instant access to News Profits Pro as well as the $1,300 plus worth of bonuses. So, a quick summary, guys. Set up brand new sites in under a minute without any domains, without any hosting. Step-by-step training suitable for complete beginners. Free traffic is sent to your new money site from 32 social platforms. Monetization is taken care of for you. Incredible value. Seriously, this is stupidly cheap right now, and a genuine way to start earning some extra money that just keeps coming and coming and coming. So go ahead and buy this now, guys. Your bonuses are waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus. There's absolutely no reason why this would not be the very best treat that you could give yourself right now. Don't hesitate. It is on a dime sale and the price is only going to go one way, and that's up. So don't pay more than you have to. Grab it now, and even if you already have it, well, it's worth it for the incredible bonuses alone. So click on the link below now to buy it now, and just get making those sites, guys. Get making those sites, as many as you can. Just reel them out and have some fun watching that money come in. My name's Trevor Carr, and I will speak to you soon. All the best.